Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I want to say a happy new year to you all. This is my very first video for 2022 and I wasn't sure when I was going to film next because I haven't been very well. I haven't had COVID, but I've had everything else. Stomach aches, headaches, colds, flu symptoms, the lot. And yeah, no COVID unless the lateral flows aren't telling the truth. But I am feeling a bit better. I've had a really nice Christmas besides not feeling the best, but hopefully in the next couple of days now I will start to feel more like myself. But I thought today, as I'm feeling better, I'll do myself up, do a little bit of makeup and do a bit of filming. So my first unboxing for 2022 January doesn't say what it is, but it's Latest in Beauty and it's their monthly beauty subscription. So if you've heard everything there is to know about the subscription and you're just curious in seeing what I chose, then as always you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Latest in Beauty is a UK only monthly subscription box. That is a little bit different. You get to choose the products that go inside. The cost of the box is £12.99 plus there's £3.95 shipping on top of that. But if you subscribe to this box for 3 months or more, you then become a VIP, which entitles you to receive your box just for £12.99, no shipping. So that is dropped. And also you get 15% discount off any of the collection boxes. Latest in Beauty bring out amazing limited edition one-off boxes, and they bring them out every couple of weeks or so, and currently they have a big discount off all their boxes. So the difference with this subscription is that you get to choose the products yourself. They bring out an edit at the start of the month and you get to choose 6 products from a huge list of items. Now they don't release all the products all at once, they release them bit by bit all throughout the month. So regardless where you are in the month when you subscribe to the box, you will have a whole month before your payment is due to be taken out for your following month's box to choose your item. So you don't have to choose straight away, which is really good. So if you want to look at the edit at the start of the month and you think, oh yeah, I quite fancy these, then you know to keep checking now and again to see when they are released. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, then please ask away down below. I do have a refer a friend code. Well, it's not a code, it's a link, and it's my name and it's my old email address. But if you're interested in taking this out for yourself, then you're welcome to take a look down in my description where I'll pop that link and any other discount codes. There might be better discount codes out there for you. So you'll find all that down there. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. But let's get on to open this up and show you what's inside. I'll give you a quick sneak peek first, although you're not really going to see much. Now with these boxes you don't receive a leaflet because there is a ton of items on there, so they can't individually create a little leaflet of all the products that you've chosen. But you've chosen them, you know what you're getting. If you want to find out any more information about the products, then go on their website. First up, I've got an overnight dry shampoo, something completely new and different. I haven't seen anything like this out there. This is from the award-winning #1 brand, Batiste Overnight Hair Refresh. Helps detoxify hair while you sleep. Wake up to clean-looking, fresh hair. And there's 200 mils there. You know what word I'm going to say. I know you know, but it is a handy thing to have. Handy for when I need a dry shampoo and I can apply it overnight and my hair's going to feel amazing and smell wonderful the next morning. You never know when these situations might occur. This can of magic contains a breakthrough formula with charcoal and baking soda that refreshes your hair while you sleep. It helps detoxify your hair by absorbing excess oil and helps remove impurities that build up during the day, so you wake up to fresh and clean looking hair. With a delicate soothing fragrance, it promotes an inner sense of relaxation that will help you drift off into restful sleep. Help detoxify your hair overnight between washes. You're welcome. If any of you have tried this, please let me know what you think of it. Next up, I got a mask. Now, who doesn't own a mask these days? I just thought this looks really cute. Just a face mask by the brand Loki. I'm not too sure how you pronounce that. That's the brand name there anyway. But yeah, I just thought that's a really nice one. And I like these stretchy behind the ear things which you can shorten or lengthen to fit. So I got a mask. Next I got something for my eyebrows. This is Brow Coat by Lip Coat & Co. Tames and Set Brows Waterproof Eyebrow Gel. Now every time I see this in Latest in Beauty, I have to get it. It is one of the best formulas out there. I love a lot of different eyebrow gels, but this one is fab. This one is really, really good, and it's quite affordable. I think it's just a couple of pound, or maybe this is a mini. I'm not too sure actually. I haven't had it for a while now. It really sets my eyebrows in place. My eyebrows are microbladed and I haven't got a lot of hairs, but I do like to add a bit of gel in there just to give it a little bit of definition. And yeah, I like the fluffy look, and this eyebrow gel gives my eyebrows the fluffy look, so I spotted it and I had to get it. Now the next two items I chose are for my daughter. These are body sprays by Impulse, Be Surprised and Instant Crush. She loves little body sprays like this. She's 15. And then saying that, when I was her age, I was really into Impulse and whatever else was going around that time as well. So yeah, she'll have a little spray. That is Be Surprised. No, nothing too surprising there. Smells really nice. And Instant Crush. Oh, that is my favourite. Oh, yeah, that is gorgeous. That is really, really nice. So I've got two full-size body sprays for my daughter. And lastly, I got an underarm deodorant. Is it upside down? Yes, it is. This is by Lavera, and this is a organic lime and organic verbena, free of aluminium salts. It's a 24-hour deodorant. I love trying new deodorants, absolutely love trying them, and I just thought, oh, it sounds really good. Yeah. Oh, it smells like washing up liquid. It does. It does smell like washing up liquid, but it is nice. The lime, the lemon. Yeah, that is lovely. It is lovely. Nah, that's going to be stuck in my head now, washing up liquid underarms. So I've got a deodorant there, and what I've only just noticed, I've got 3 freebies. And I'm not sure whether that's because this came a couple of days before Christmas, or maybe it's like a December special. I'm not too sure, but yeah, I got 3 freebies. I got 2 perfumes. I've got one by BDK Perfumes Paris. This is Gris Charnel. Let's have a sniff of this one as well. Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. Yeah, lovely. I'm getting mixed up with the impulses and everything. And we got another one here. This is by Goldfields and Banks, Australia. Sunset Hour. See how much. See if I can pick this up. Oh, it smells like strawberries. I think, anyway. Fruity. Oh, that smells of strawberries. Oh, wow. Yeah, I love that one. And then I have got a cleansing bar by Florina, fermented skincare with fermented jasmine and fermented angelica oil. It's a full-size cleansing bar. Isn't that wonderful? Oh, I love soaps in wrapping like this. Oh, there's just something about it. I don't know. I absolutely love it. Oh, it smells nice. So yeah, so I've got those 3 extra freebies. So those are all the items I received in my recent Latest in Beauty box. I'll just give you a bit of a recap. I've got a Lavera deodorant. I've got a Loki face mask. I've got a Batiste overnight dry shampoo. I've got an Impulse body spray in Be Surprised. I've got an Impulse body spray in Instant Crush. I've got a brow coat, a clear brow gel. And then as extra freebies, I've got 2 perfume samples and a full-size cleansing bar soap. I'm really happy with the products I bought. I know my daughter's going to love the body sprays. I'm really chuffed that I got those freebies as well. I'd love to know what you think of this subscription, what you think of my choices. If you are a subscriber, have you chosen any of the products that I featured in this video? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. I hope you enjoyed watching, and take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.